In this video, we share with you full travel guide to Bali. We cover accommodation, food, tourist, and many other things you need to know as tourists. Where to stay, accommodations. When it comes to choosing where to stay in Bali, the options can be overwhelming. The island offers a wide range of accommodations to suit all budgets and preferences, from luxurious resorts and villas to budget-friendly guest houses and hostels. For partygoers and beach lovers, Kuta is a popular choice, with its vibrant nightlife, shopping and dining options. Ubud, on the other hand, is a cultural and artistic hub, perfect for those seeking a more relaxed and spiritual atmosphere. Seminyak offers a more upscale experience, with luxury resorts, fine dining and shopping boutiques. Canggu is a laid-back and surfer-friendly area, with a growing expat community and a range of accommodation options. Nusa Dua and Uluwatu are ideal for those seeking a more secluded and luxurious experience, with stunning ocean views and beautiful beaches. Whichever area you choose, make sure to research and book your accommodations in advance to ensure availability, especially during peak season. And we also have some of our trusted company. Check the links in the descriptions. When to visit Bali is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on your preferences. The dry season, from May to September, is the peak tourist season, with warm weather, minimal rainfall and sunny days. This is the best time to enjoy outdoor activities like surfing, diving and hiking. However, it's also the busiest and most expensive time to visit. The shoulder season, from April to May and September to November, offers a good balance between weather and crowds. The weather is still pleasant and the crowds are smaller, making it a great time to explore the island. The wet season, from December to March, is the low season, with frequent rain showers and increased humidity. However, it's also a great time to explore Bali's cultural attractions, take yoga classes, or simply relax at a spa. Additionally, many resorts and hotels offer discounts and promotions during the low season. Transportation. Getting around Bali is relatively easy, with various transportation options available to suit different budgets and preferences. Taxis are widely available, but it's essential to use a reputable company like Bluebird to avoid scams. Ride-hailing apps like Grab and GoVan are also popular and convenient. For shorter trips, consider renting a motorbike, which is a great way to explore the island. However, be sure to wear a helmet and drive safely. Car rentals are also available, offering more comfort and flexibility. Also check the links for some of our trusted company on rentals cars. Bali has a public transportation system, including buses and BEMOS minivans, which are affordable and a great way to experience local culture. To get to the Gili Islands or other nearby islands, consider taking a ferry or speedboat. Finally, many tourists also opt for private drivers or tour guides, which can provide a hassle-free and personalized experience. Food. Bali offers a diverse and vibrant food scene, reflecting the island's rich cultural heritage. Indonesian cuisine is a fusion of Chinese, Indian, and Middle Eastern flavors, with popular dishes like nasi goreng, fried rice, mie goreng, fried noodles, and satay, grilled meat skewers. Bali is also famous for its fresh seafood, with many restaurants serving up succulent fish, squid and lobster. For a truly local experience, try some street food at a warung, food stall or night market. If you enjoy this travel guide, so just use less than 1 minute of your time to subscribe to our channel for more travel videos like this. Now to Bali currency. The official currency in Bali, Indonesia, is the Indonesian rupiah, IDR. You can exchange your money for rupiah at a currency exchange office, bank or airport, or withdraw cash from an ATM. Tourist. While many tourists flock to popular spots like Kuta, Seminyak, and Ubud, there are plenty of hidden gems to explore in Bali. One such place is the picturesque town of Munduk, nestled in the mountains of northern Bali. This tranquil town is surrounded by lush green forest, waterfalls, and scenic hiking trail, making it a nature lover's paradise. Another underrated destination is the island of Nusa Lembongan, located off the coast of Canggu. This small island is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs, making it a snorkeler's and diver's dream. The scenic village of Canggu's neighboring town, Pererenan, is also worth visiting, with its beautiful beaches, temples, and traditional Balinese village. Lastly, the Tirta Empel Temple in Tampaksiring is a lesser-known but equally impressive temple complex, featuring holy springs and beautiful gardens. These off-the-beaten-path destinations offer a more authentic and peaceful experience, allowing visitors to connect with the island's natural beauty and rich culture. Now, to the people of Bali, you cannot visit any country without have a little or more understanding about the people. The people of Bali are known for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. The majority of Balinese are Hindu, and their rich cultural heritage is evident in their daily lives. The Balinese are proud of their traditions and customs, and visitors can experience this firsthand by attending a traditional dance performance, visiting a temple, or participating in a local festival. The locals are generally friendly and eager to engage with visitors, and many speak English fluently. However, it's still appreciated when visitors make an effort to learn a few basic Indonesian phrases, such as hello, halo, thank you, terima kasih, and excuse me, tolong. Now let's move on to some important things to be aware of when traveling to Bali. Please note that this information is not intended to discourage you from visiting the island, but rather to help you be cautious and prepared. When traveling to Bali, there are several things to be aware of to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. Firstly, be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded areas and tourist hotspots, as petty theft and scams can occur. Additionally, be cautious when using ATMs and exchanging money, as some machines may be tampered with. Bali's roads can be chaotic, so be careful when crossing the street or riding a motorbike. Always wear a helmet and drive defensively. When swimming or surfing, be aware of strong currents and riptides, and always swim at patrolled beaches. Respect Bali's rich culture and traditions, especially when visiting temples or attending ceremonies. Dress modestly, remove your shoes when required, and avoid public displays of affection. Finally, be mindful of your health, especially during the wet season, when diseases like dengue fever and Zika virus can be prevalent. Take necessary precautions against sunburn, heat exhaustion, and insect-borne illnesses, and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Travel hack to know in Bali. When traveling to Bali, there are several tricks to know to make your trip more enjoyable and stress-free. One trick is to negotiate prices when shopping at local markets or from street vendors. Many vendors will inflate prices for tourists, so it's essential to bargain and walk away if the price isn't right. Another trick is to use reputable taxi companies like Bluebird, which use meters and are less likely to scam tourists. When exchanging money, use authorized money changers and avoid exchanging money at airports or tourist areas where rates tend to be less favorable. Additionally, consider purchasing a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi hotspot to stay connected and avoid expensive roaming charges. By knowing these tricks, you'll be better equipped to navigate Bali like a pro and have a more enjoyable and stress-free trip. To have more enjoyable and lovely trip, check out this video on top 10 places to visit in Bali. If you have any place that you want us to cover, put it in the comments section below. For more travel guide on your favorite destinations, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button. See you in the next video.